Yes, you read that title correctly. I believe I've come across the cryptocurrency that will bring not just Uni and BNB, but all major exchange tokens to shame. I know that sounds ridiculous and I don't blame you for thinking so, but bear with me as we talk about the sleeping giant, none other than Orion Protocol. Now, before we begin, do remember to solidify your entry into the Ledger Nano S giveaway by leaving a like and comment on the video. As you guys know, we announce one winner every single Saturday. We have already had 6 winners and we have 9 more to go, so make sure you enter on in. First off, for those wondering, no, this is not a sponsored video by Orion or anyone for that matter. All opinions shared in this video are solely my own and should not be considered financial advice. So let's start off with the big question, what is Orion Protocol? Firstly, Orion's model is simple: 1 token, 1 protocol, 16 revenue streams. Being built on the most advanced liquidity aggregator ever developed, Orion Protocol aggregates the liquidity of every single crypto exchange into one decentralized platform, providing a singular non-custodial gateway to the entire digital asset market. By doing so, Orion is building a protocol on which to bridge the worlds of crypto, traditional finance, and real-world assets, which is a very daunting task to say the least, but major developments have been underway, and their ultimate goal is soon to become a reality. Sounds rather simple and to the point, right? They're making one platform that will combine all other exchanges together, making liquidity issues, high gas fees, single chain support, and multi-exchange accounts and wallets a thing of the past. And by now you'd think something like Orion would have been invented, but maybe it's because no one has been able to solve liquidity, custody, accessibility, and scalability in one platform until now. What makes Orion truly stand out from the noise is that they aren't competing with exchanges, but aggregating them. In layman terms, Orion Protocol unites other exchange order books, whether they're centralized or decentralized, into one easy-to-use terminal, which gives users access to the entire crypto market in one place. And the best part about all of this, Orion is completely decentralized. Simply connect your wallet and execute your order without ever giving up your assets. Very similar to how Uniswap functions, but with no liquidity issues, super low fees, and being able to trade with multiple blockchains instead of only the Ethereum blockchain like Uniswap. Orion's terminal goes a step further by providing subtle but very beneficial features like the robust trading tools that provide users with all of the news, market analysis, and trading signals in real time to conduct successful trades. Also, large order fulfillments will now be possible for you whales out there without having to worry about pumping or dumping the price of a token from one sole exchange. I think you guys can understand why Orion has my interest. I'm sure many of you love using Uniswap for the simple ease of use and the decentralized nature of controlling your private keys. But let's be real, there are some of the days where ETH gas fees are $50 to even $90, and especially once the markets really begin to flourish, that's just not practical for anyone. Plus, being able to only trade Ethereum-based tokens on Uniswap definitely hinders it from growing to something much larger down the road. At the core of Orion Protocol is the ORN token, which has on occasion been called BNB on crack. Orion has ensured deep utility on the token across the entire protocol, integrating it into all main transactions to take the form of an internal currency or utility token. First off, what is the ORN token structure? ORN is an ERC20 token with a circulating supply of 16.8 million and a total max supply of 100 million tokens. The circulating supply will increase by roughly 10% every 3 months for 16 months until December of 2021, when the total supply of 100 million tokens is released and no more ORN can be created. This model is in place for the private sale investors that have not yet received their tokens. The Orion team stated that the move results in a lower and more staggered release to mitigate the impact of token releases on the secondary market, requested by key partners coming on board. Which in the end does make sense to do, but this does definitely suck for us new investors that want to get involved in the ORN token. Now, as every 3 months, 10% of the tokens are released, which can cause potential selling pressure or slight inflation on the ORN token's price until the end of this year. The sustainability and longevity of the Orion token is at utmost importance for the team, and the team hopes private sale participants will echo this sentiment. Once Orion's terminal is live on mainnet, private sale participants will be able to receive staking rewards on 100% of their locked tokens. Therefore, the release schedule will not affect anticipated staking rewards whatsoever for private sale holders, which is a huge bonus. Whether you're a broker, enterprise, or just a trader, ORN will give holders a range of benefits. Unfortunately, we can't go over all the benefits received with the ORN token, or this video would be an hour long. But a few that are superior include saving up to 20% on trading fees when paying with ORN, the ORN buyback program. When any order is fulfilled on a trade and the user does not pay fees in ORN, a standard commission is charged as a percentage of the total order amount. Every such operation on the Orion platform is immediately converted to a market buy order for ORN tokens across supported exchanges. Therefore, every trade represents demand for the ORN token. Orion will offer advertising space on their terminal as well, which ORN will be the default token of payment. We also have protocol payments. Every service and all dApps offered within the Orion protocol will be charged using ORN. Developers who upload dApps to the Orion marketplace will be able to charge customers for using them. Fees are set by the developers, while users get to decide whether they offer value for money or not. There's also the non-broker staker system. ORN tokens can be used to assign votes to their choice of broker, choosing the ones that will give them the best reward based on how much trading volume they're doing. Each token equals 1 vote, and the more votes or ORN staked a broker has, the more likely they are to be chosen to execute a trade. We also have business-to-business products and licensing fees. 100% of licensing fees generated from Orion Protocol's B2B product range of DeFi solutions will be used to buy ORN tokens off the market and remove them from the circulation. Some of these products are the Price Oracle, Liquidity Booster, and Dex Kit. And remember, brokers, the people providing liquidity to us traders, need ORN to play. Any new exchanges, market makers, and OTC desks coming on board to the Orion brokerage will need to purchase ORN directly on the market. As of now, $10,000 in ORN is required to become a broker. Additionally, the more ORN a broker stakes, the more likely they are to be chosen to execute a trade. The founding brokers include BitMax, KuCoin, MXC, Atron Trading, Eureka Trading, and Injective Protocol as of now. And remember, there are many more use cases for the ORN token, but like I said, we will be here all day if I was to go over all of them, so I will leave some links down below if you would like to learn more about the other use cases Orion Protocol offers. Another thing that really stands out about Orion and makes this a really interesting investment is their roadmap, which is pretty straightforward, but also is very ambitious, which is great to see. With the official Orion terminal public mainnet to go live by the end of April and practically all of their services to be completed by the end of 2021, they have a lot on their plate. But they haven't done anything to prove the community wrong, as their early access has been a major success among select participants. I don't know about you guys, but if the Orion terminal lives up to all the hype, I honestly cannot imagine myself using multiple exchanges ever again. To the simple factor, I can use all of them in one place, and I can control my private key. And with a current price of $3.35 per ORN token and a market cap of $56 million, I'd say there's some room for growth, and by some I mean a lot. But don't just take my word for it, be sure to look further into Orion if it did catch your interest, and let me know down below your thoughts on Orion Protocol as well. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you as always for watching, and I will catch you in the next.